The first thing you'll see is your homepage. If you have a free account, you'll see a strip on the bottom indicating that this is powered by ILN. You can click the button to upgrade, which will then remove this strip and also allow you to host it using a custom domain address. To edit the homepage, click on the entry menu and then select Edit. We refer to everything from a web page to a note to a list as an entry, and we have one simple editor to create any of these. Unlike other website builders, there's no separate interface you need to go to edit web pages. Instead, everything you need is incorporated directly into your website. In edit mode, you can simply change the name in the body text to update your content. You can click on the icon buttons to add images, video, links, and components. Think of components as functional widgets you add to your web pages to give them more interactivity. You'll see that we got you started with a few images and components, which you can easily edit and delete. Once you're done making edits, simply click Save and your changes will take effect immediately. Your navigation is automatically generated from the child entries of your homepage. To see this list, click on the entry menu and select Children. You can remove any of these children using the entry menu and clicking Delete. If you refresh your browser, you'll see the navigation is updated and that page was removed. If you wish to add a new page to your navigation, open the Children and then click on Add to add something new. You can add a page, group, blog, or something else. Once you add it, you can simply refresh your browser window to see your updated navigation. Your website is responsive, so whether someone is on a desktop or a mobile phone, it'll automatically respond to their device. Your website includes built-in social features, so other members can log into your website using their ILN account. They can then like your stuff, leave comments, and subscribe to you. You can click on your profile image in the header to go to your profile view. Here you can see who you're following and who follows you. Click on your website logo to bring up your quick actions. This gives you ways to quickly open important section and is also another way you can add a new child page in your navigation. For now, I'd like to show you how to edit your website theme, which is the look, layout, and style of your website. In the quick actions, click on Theme Editor. Unlike other website builders, there are no templates to download or install. Instead, you have themes which can be changed at any time on the fly. In the theme editor, you can edit any parts of your interface, including the header colors, navigation colors, your logo, and more. You just simply click on what you want to change and the pop-up box will open. You can also choose from one of our layouts, simply by selecting from the layouts drop-down list. You'll see a preview of the changes in the theme editor as you're making them. Once you want to apply those changes, click on Save, and your website will be updated immediately. This is just scratching the surface of the capabilities of your ILN domain. If you wish to learn more, click on the Help section in your quick actions.